What's the difference between a seller name and a brand name on Amazon? My name is Steve and I'm the founder of myamazonguy.com, and we're a consulting agency to help with any selling needs on Amazon. If you need help, just go to myamazonguy.com. So a brand name is the feature attribute right here under a listing. So when you see something that says by said brand name, in this case Monster, that is the brand name. The seller name is where you see in the mid right where it says sold by Monster. And then the next section where it says and fulfilled by Amazon is just simply the fulfillment method. So in this case FBA, where I ship into a fulfillment center and Amazon ships directly to the consumer. So the reason this question matters on what is the difference between a brand name and a seller name or display name is, simply put, your display name or your brand name can literally be anything you want with little to no consequence. It takes less than 2 minutes to change a display or a seller name. You just simply go to Seller Central, go to Settings, Account Info, and you'll see your display name. In fact, I'll go ahead and pull that up here and put that on screen because it doesn't take long at all. And so here we go. So here is the screen. So you can see here, go to Settings, Account Info, and then here you hit Edit next to Monster, your seller profile. And you can change your display name by hitting Edit right here. This will instantly go through. There's no waiting period, no consequences. Unless somebody else has already taken it, then you can't do that. So the brand name, on the other hand, is very impactful. So when you click on a seller name, it just goes to the list of products sold by that seller. And you can see all the list of products by clicking on the Products tab. Really, honestly, most consumers are never going to go here. They don't see this. They don't care about it. It doesn't impact you, really. The brand name, when you click on it, however, is very impactful. It links to the brand store page, which is a very impactful section, which you can do a lot more optimization with. You have dedicated pages or landing page. So I've got a dedicated page for a sweet heat hot sauce and stuff like that. And it also is directly linked to brand registry and your trademark, which we just released another video on all things about brand registry. Definitely check that out. It's a comprehensive guide on everything you need to know about brand registry. So if you are considering launching a new brand and you're trying to figure out, okay, what do I need to do? Does it need to match my legal name? Definitely not. Don't ever match your legal company name. Irrelevant. So you can have a holding name called Company 123, but your brand name could be Monster. It could be anything you want. So if I was in your shoes, I would do a trademark lookup, which you just type into Google trademark lookup and hit search trademarks. And in here, hit search our trademark database, basic word mark, and you could type in whatever you're thinking about making a trademark for. So if you wanted to see if somebody else has this trademark, you type it in, boom, I've already got it, so you can't do that one. And you want to find something unique. Trademarks are a 6-month process, and you have to do a couple of special things to make sure the trademark goes through. By the way, if you need a trademark, we do offer that as a service at myamazonguy.com. Go to Services and Trademark Registration, and that will take care of everything you need for $775 to file a trademark. And then you'll get access to brand registry on Amazon. All right, well, thank you for watching my video on what the difference between a brand name and a seller name or display name is. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the video section comments. Thanks.